Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin here live in the Brody house. Super day out there, and today we thought I'd do a classic for you, a pasta carbonara. Now, carbonara day is the 6th of April, but I just want to give you a heads up on the dish because it's an amazing dish and it's good year round. So we have some lovely lardons here. So this is just streaky bacon that's actually just chopped up. Oh, the smell of that already. It's a lovely smoked bacon, which is delicious. In here we have some linguine just like cooking up there nicely. Now always, like every pasta that you get, every dry pasta that you buy, they kind of have slightly different temperature or times to cook them. So I kind of go, I always read the back of the pack. So this one, that's quite a thicker linguine. It's actually the Super Value Signature Taste brand, which is an excellent brand. Number 11 linguine, bronze tie. Really, really good. But they take about 11 minutes to cook. Some of them will take 8 minutes, and some will take 12 minutes. So just kind of read on the background. It's important that you get that nice and crispy.
You didn't put any oil in the pan. Do you need to put oil or?
You don't need to put oil at all because there's enough oil in the bacon. Okay, we're just using egg yolks here, okay? So you want to beat those up. We've got lovely Parmesan cheese, and you need plenty of this. And it's going straight in on top of the egg here. Now you can buy the cheese that's already grated, so it's a lot easier for you. Okay, mix that up.
Can you use pecorino instead of parmesan? Oh.
Yeah. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the pasta water in there and mix that up. And now it's nice and warm. We're going to add in the bacon bits. Don't worry about if a bit of fat is in there because it's only got to add a bit of flavour in there. Mix that up like so. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese in there.
There's some recipes that add some cream. Do you need to add cream?
No. Classically, you don't add cream. Some people do. It's really up to yourself. Not necessary. Good bit of black pepper though. Pepper is like a crucial ingredient for this. And a little bit of salt. Not too much salt because the Parmesan cheese is a salty cheese. I have a lump of cheese in there. That'll be grand. So, okay, we're going to strain off our pasta. Oh. Now, if you get in close into the bottom of that pan, you can see I've left a little bit of the water in there. Back in with the pasta. The water kind of just loosens up the sauce. Okay, and now this is the trick. See the way it's just, the sauce is nice and light. And it's literally like a minute and a half in here and nice and loose. So if that gets a little bit thick, just add a little bit more water to it, okay? Because you kind of want it cooked, but not really stiff or thick. Oh, look at that. It's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
And delicious.
Oh yeah. But look how nice that is. A little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. A little bit of cracked pepper. A bit of salt. And there you have the perfect pasta carbonara.